Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to unpair the REALME Watch S5 from an Android phone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, or you might want to sell it, give it away, anything that requires you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So, let's get started. To unpair our watch, we need to open the REALME Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see your watch right here on the home page. You can tap on it to select the watch and open the settings or device page for your watch. And here, scroll down, find the option called Delete Device. Tap on it, tap on Delete, and the watch will be removed. And now we can close the application. The watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And after that, you can pair it with another device or safely sell it or give it away. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.